Hi guys and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you some typing tips for your WhatsApp. So let's start our video. If you want to send a bold text, like a text in bold, so all you need to do is to put a star at the start and then type a message. So once you type the message, then put a star at the end. When you send it, it will be in bold. Now, if you put underscore at the start of the message and at the end as well, it will change into italic. Now, the next thing is, if you put this sign at the start of the message and then put the same sign at the end of the message, it will cross it. So if you send that one, it will show like this. Now, the next one is, if you put this sign at the start of the message and when you type the message and then you go back and put this sign again, it will highlight the message. So once you send it, it will be highlighted. So guys, these are the tricks that you can use it for the typing in your WhatsApp Messenger. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.